The first thing that you're going to need is gloves. You also need a baking mold, resin, a mixing container, alcohol ink, and something to mix with. First, you're going to mix equal parts resin and hardener. If the directions say mix equal parts by volume, make sure you are measuring by volume and not by weight, because the resin and hardener do not weigh the same. And if you don't mix the right proportions, your resin won't cure correctly. Once you've measured your resin and hardener, it's time to mix. This is always the hardest part for me because I'm impatient and I just want to get to the fun part, coloring. But it's very important to thoroughly mix the two together. Once everything is mixed together, go ahead and pour the resin into the letter molds. Now for the fun part, you can add whatever colors you'd like. First, add a couple drops of each of the colors you'd like. With this mold, I would use a max of 3 per letter. Then add a few drops of white. The white ink is what's going to bring the color down to the bottom. Then alternate between adding color and white until you feel satisfied. With these molds, I would do a max of 3 rounds. Now repeat these steps for each of the letters. Now cover and let it cure for 24 hours. After 24 hours, you can go ahead and take them out. These molds make it so everything comes out really easily.